What you just saw was the Crane Nuclear String Encoder installed in a motor-operated valve. I'm Mark Greiger with Crane Nuclear, and the new string encoder is a small adjustable device used to measure the stem position of an MOV, an AOV, or any other linear type of measurement. The string encoder has two axes of adjustment. Its small base allows for installation in tight places, making it adaptable to almost any situation. It's magnetically mounted using a strong rare earth magnet. Its aluminum housing makes it adhere well in rugged places. The string encoder is embedded with the assist technology that allows it to be utilized easily with the Votes Infinity system. The string encoder is embedded with 24-inch calibrated range with a 30-inch total length. Thanks for tuning in, and if you need any other information, you can still reach us at www.cranenuclear.com.